Netgear AXE11000 Wi-Fi Mesh System Setup. Step 1. Unbox components. Ensure you have the router, satellites, power adapters, and Ethernet cable. Step 2. Position the router. Place the router in a central location near your modem. Step 3. Connect router to modem. Use the Ethernet cable to connect the router's one port to the modem. Step 4. Power on the router. Plug in the router and wait for the LED to stabilize. Step 5. Download the Nighthawk app. Install the app on your smartphone for guided setup. Step 6. Follow app instructions. Launch the app, log in or create an account, and configure your network. Step 7. Place and power satellites. Position satellites throughout your home, plug them in, and wait for LEDs to stabilize. Step 8. Sync satellites. Press the sync button on the router and satellites to connect them. Step 9. Secure and name network. Use the app to set a strong Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password. Step 10. Test and connect devices. Check coverage and connect your devices to the new network. Thank you.